Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video by Iron Commander here. Today I just want to do a quick video on hotkeys and showing you what exactly can be done outside of Supreme Commander 2 to enhance your hotkeys. This is something that I started using approximately 6 months ago when I purchased my first Wooting keyboard. Well, my first and only, which had this built-in mechanic where you could assign several key inputs to one key stroke. Now I have a different keyboard, and this keyboard has VS support, and a lot of keyboards have VS support. So this applies to any keyboard that has VS support, and I just want to sift through my hotkeys here. So if you watch where my mouse is, I'm hovering over the layers. I happen to have 3 layers, layer 0, 1, and 2. 3 is not in use. 2 has the things that I want to talk about. So M1, sorry, M0, M through whatever here. I think it's through, so through M9, 10 hotkeys. You'll see them assigned here. So when I press Q right here, I get BMB, which makes a mass, or which selects the mass to be built. And I'll sift through here. You can add up the rest. So for anyone who hates the existing hotkeys that are in the system, which do suck, go ahead and try this if you have a VS supported system, a board. I mean, if you have a Wooting or anything that's Hall effect, you should be able to also do the same thing, except it will be different, a different way that it happens. Not to get into that. Anyways, hopefully this is something you can use for something. Like, these are my hotkeys. These are the ones that I use. Obviously, I'm not hotkeying everything. I'm just hotkeying some of the things that I do all the time. And so, and yeah, I mean, the original hotkeys work fine for a long time, but since I started using these hotkeys, I just have more time to look at the battlefield and see what's going on and sort of think about what to do. So it's a benefit in that respect. So I want to share it with everyone, so everyone get a chance to do it themselves. All right. Thank you.